Hi, in this video, I will show you how to categorize TikTok videos. So now you can categorize your videos or the content of the TikTok in the form of the playlist. So this is the new feature by the TikTok. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and search for the TikTok, and you can simply update your TikTok from here if it's not already updated. Right now, my TikTok account is updated or TikTok application is updated. Now go back and open your settings, and in the settings you have to search for the apps and the notification once you will search for it. Now you can simply search for TikTok. Once you will do it, now you can simply click on the storage and the cache and clear your storage. And after that, open your TikTok mobile application and click on your Profile Me from the right bottom. And once you will do it now, you can simply click on the three-dot icon on the right top and go to the Manage Account and switch to the Creator account from here. Now select Entertainment or any other and click on the Next, select your gender. Click on the Done. And once you will do it, cancel it and go back. And right here you will see a playlist option. Here, you have to tap on that. And once you will tap on that, you have to enter the playlist name and select the content you want to add in the category, like funny videos, like comedy videos. And you can add many playlists in your TikTok account to categorize your content. Hope this filter will helpful for you. See you next time.